Can I spot all the mistakes in this English quiz before the timer runs out? Welcome to today's video, where we'll sharpen our English skills by quickly spotting common errors in quiz questions. The goal is to improve your speed and accuracy in identifying mistakes, which is essential for acing any English quiz or test. Many English quizzes trick people with subtle errors that can be easy to miss if you're not paying close attention. These errors can be frustrating, especially if you're short on time. But don't worry, I'm here to help you learn how to identify them quickly and improve your language proficiency. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot common errors in no time. The key to spotting errors fast is to be familiar with the most common mistakes that appear in English quizzes. These include subject-verb agreement errors, misplaced modifiers, punctuation mistakes, and more. Let's put your skills to the test with a few quiz questions. Here's the first one. The team of researchers have been studying the effects of climate change for years. Take a close look and see if you can find the error. The error is researchers. It should be researchers because it's a plural noun. The correct sentence would be, the team of researchers have been studying the effects of climate change for years. Here's another one. Having studied all night, the exam was easy for me. Can you spot the mistake? The error is that the modifier having studied all night is misplaced. It should be, having studied all night, I found the exam easy. One of the trickiest errors in English quizzes is the subject-verb agreement with indefinite pronouns. For example, each of the students have their own laptop. Can you find the mistake? The error is that the verb have should be in the singular form has because the subject each of the students is singular. The correct sentence would be, each of the students has their own laptop. Spotting errors quickly requires attention to detail and practice. The more you're exposed to English quizzes and exercises, the more familiar you'll become with common mistakes. To recap, we've covered subject-verb agreement errors, misplaced modifiers, and punctuation mistakes. Paying close attention to details is crucial to quickly spot mistakes in English. If you found this video helpful, share in the comments which error you found most challenging. Don't forget to subscribe for more Find the Error challenges and English learning tips. Subscribe, learn with Kawasam. Like, share and subscribe.